let's talk about some of our repair essentials for tents in this quick video today. High peak frame tents, our #1 selling tent. What can go wrong with a high peak frame tent? Over time, you might have your crown area, your plate inside here break. We sell a kit to replace that, okay? If your corner strap ever breaks, here's a glue-in-place corner strap. Your straps that go around the perimeter of the tent, same thing. Take the old one off, glue it into place. Naturally repair parts. We carry pipe, we carry our corners. Our two most common parts that I would say are going to be our center mast pin and our center mast bottom. They're must-haves. You should always have 3 or 4 or 5 of these in the truck or at the shop. West Coast frame tent repair parts. Not a lot for a West Coast frame tent, but occasionally you might have your clip that's around the perimeter of the tent that holds the top to the frame go bad, maybe the spring, maybe it tore off. We carry these that can be glued on into place. We carry just the clips themselves, as well as a small ring for sectional tents when you need to bring your rain flap over. Pole tents. A little bit more for pole tents, but I'll tell you, what happens on a pole tent? Sometimes a grommet might pop out in your top where your center pole goes, side pole grommet. We have grommet repair kits. The repair kits are going to be a large and a small size. They are going to come with grommets. They're going to come with repair material. And the only thing you probably would need to add might be a little bit of glue in case you need to put a patch around the grommet. As far as your side poles, your center poles, we carry your side pole tips and bases, larger center pole bases. A lot of people might be making their own poles out of just a 2-inch aluminum pipe. So, you know, we have the options that you can kind of put your poles together at whatever length you want. Sidewall repair. Overlap clips that go on, same thing, they are going to glue into place. And another common repair on your sidewall is going to be your clip on the top of the sidewall that's holding it to the rope, and it's the same thing. We pretty much designed all of these items to be able to be easily applied with a little bit of SX69 glue, maybe a roller to get any of the bubbles out, okay? All you need is scissors, knife, glue, roller, and the applicable part, and you should be able to be back up and running in no time. A couple of quick fixes for the field. Here is a liquid tape. This comes in 4 or 5 different colors. Great for little pinholes that you might have in any sidewall or any top. You can dab it on right into place, and it's going to allow a nice flexible seal. It's going to keep water from coming out, as well as if you needed a quick repair for something a little bit larger, we're going to have our PatchAll tape, which is a urethane-based tape, incredibly flexible, very sticky, adheres to any surface. So, and then from an old school, we carry vinyl in various colors and thicknesses, as well as our glue, our rollers. So if you want to do a long time professional repair, very easy to get that taken care of. So, looking at all these parts, they're kind of must-haves for any shop, any truck, anybody that's out in the field. You can find them online under the accessories at tentandtable.com, or you can call your sales rep and have them put together a nice little box of repair accessories so you're not losing any time in the field and not losing any revenue because something is not as it seems when you get it out to the job. All right, everybody, thanks, and I hope you're having a great summer.